The prepaid gift card market is stronger than it's ever been. Open-loop cards and closed-loop cards can be found everywhere, and the demand for their production has created a push for lower cost per unit. Because open-loop cards can be used anywhere, they've become just as valuable as the actual currency they've replaced. This makes them a high-priority target for scammers and fraudsters. For this reason, these cards require the most secure form of modern packaging available. Enter PackSmart's OnePass, the world's first inline solution for high-volume production of secure open and closed-loop cards, taking a blank card body and delivering a secure packed bundle ready for shipping in less than 30 seconds. OnePass offers unmatched flexibility, creating unique workflows and adding new capabilities. Producing 100% tamper-proof packaging has never been easier. With continuous compression technology, the seal time is reduced to half a second, allowing for 10 times the throughput compared to current heat seal processes. Governed by Delta X data management system, OnePass allows real-time control of production, mitigating quality assurance risks with end-to-end encrypted reporting. OnePass starts with the highest quality standards of duplex card personalization, including magstripe and chip encoding to the ISO and EMV standard. High-resolution 600 dpi imaging with low-energy LED curing and the ability to apply a variety of activation or scratch-off labels with precision. Ensure 100% product integrity with vision systems that validate each process step throughout the line. Flexible design allows card-only production at speeds of 35,000 per hour as an alternative to complete fulfillment. Operators can easily change between product requirements, packaging styles and activation methods with minimal downtime. OnePass utilizes hybrid folding, gluing and sealing technologies with continuous compression that ensures the packages will be permanently destroyed when opening. Fully personalized and securely packaged cards are batched into bundles and wrapped in film, keeping track of their sequence and providing an aggregated label for downstream distribution. Traditionally, remaking cards is a manual process that causes downtime. OnePass system allows you to automatically reissue a rejected card, pack or bundle with the state-of-the-art on-the-fly bundle remake system, keeping the production in sequence without stopping. By eliminating the human element, OnePass has become the new gold standard for flawless inline production. Are you ready for the next generation of high-security gift cards? PackSmart, engineering the impossible.